Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ike Lakingbola speaking. So in today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on your mobile phone for Facebook account. So this way you can defend your account, your Facebook account right now, against anyone who is an intruder who is trying to hack your account or anything. So this two-factor authentication is very important. So if you don't have it set up, then you are at the risk of losing your account. So I'll walk you through it right now. So this is my Facebook account. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you go to the setting part of your Facebook. So let's go click on the where you can see your profile. So this way I can see my profile here. Make sure you're on the right account. So you can see settings and privacy for this particular account. This particular account you're seeing here, settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Then you will scroll down and look for where you have. Okay, so for this code generator is supposed to be available for those of you that people are trying to log into your account. Maybe you want someone to do something for you and you need a code to be generated. So this particular code generator you're seeing down here is what you are supposed to click on. And if there's anybody that is trying to log into your account, there's a code that will show up here. Once you activate it, code generator helps to protect your account from hacking and unauthorized access. You understand? So, but that's not why I'm making this video. So the next thing you will do, let's go back. The next you want to do is you click on settings. Okay, so let's look at settings and then look at security and login. Update login settings and manage app games. Okay, let's go down. Okay, I think so. Currently you click on security and login, don't forget. So once you click on security and login, you scroll down and you would see two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication. So this is what you are going to be clicking on to set up your two-factor authentication. So once you click on the two-factor authentication, you click on. Now there are different ways you can use to set up your two-factor authentication. The first one is you can use the authentication app. You go to your Play Store and download the authentication app. I think it's made by Google, Google authentication app or Duo Mobile. They will help you generate. So immediately somebody is trying to log in, the authentication app will generate code that will be specific for that particular login. Once you need when you get the code, you can send the code to the person to log in, or you click on the text message. Text message means that the number you provide to Facebook will be the number Facebook will send an OTP code, one-time password to you. Then you can use the password to log in after you have used your normal password. While security key means that you have a physical security key to help you protect your Facebook account from unauthorized access. You won't need to enter a code using a security key. That means you have an external device. So I think I will stop here just for security reasons. So, but I believe you can walk through the rest. So if you want to set up text, which is what I would recommend, you can click on text, then continue. Select a particular number you want to be receiving the code, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, then Facebook will send a code to this particular number, 6-digit code to this particular number, so that you can confirm the login. You can confirm the authentication. Once you do that, you insert the code here. Once you insert the code, then click on continue, and that will be all about you creating or setting up your two-factor authentication. So it is very easy and seamless. Maybe later on I'm making video on how you can use your authentication app to create an OTP for you. So meanwhile, let's quickly go to Play Store and let me show you on this Play Store here. And on Play Store you would see Google Authentication app. Google Authenticator. So this is the particular app you'll be downloading, Google Authenticator. I have it already on my phone. So this is what you'll be using to generate new codes. All right, thank you very much. I'd love to see you in other videos. Have a nice time. Do make sure you subscribe.